Hi guys, I am Purity Luseka and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new, karibu tena sana, and don't forget to click that subscribe button if you haven't, okay? So in this video, I want us to unbox. So I have a Jumia package over here. And I want us to unbox this package together. Yes. Well, I got they were having deals, like for Unilever products they were having a 50% off deal. And what else? And far body care products, they were also having deals. And I also got toilet cleaning products. I will show you exactly what is in here. Okay. So I got, the first thing that I'm going to show you is I got this toilet paper, and this is the Bella tissue paper, and it was going for 70 shillings. So that means one of the rolls was going for 35 bob. As you know, right now things are very expensive. Toilet paper sahizi akina Velvex akina Hanan 10 roll inaenda 500 shillings. 500 shillings. So hiyo inamaanisha roll moja ni 50 bob. That's crazy. Prices, life is just too expensive side. So I got 8 rolls. These two for 70. Yep. The other thing that I got is this air freshener, rosy air freshener after rain freshness. I got scoring powder, and I bought the morning fresh. I don't think ilikuwa on offer. It wasn't on offer, but it was the cheapest on the page, and they didn't have Vim. Sorry about the chickens. I got this toilet cleaner, Velvex, and it was on offer. Can't remember the price, but I'll try and check. Sunlight niliuziwa, if I'm not wrong, ilikuwa I think 150. 150 bar moja. I got 2 bars like that. And so I got this Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Glow. This one was going for 200 shillings. Yeah, 50% off. I also got this Aloe Sooth one, Vaseline Aloe Sooth. It was going for 100, I think 135 shillings. I bought for my man this Vaseline Men Extra Hydration Lotion. This one. It was going for 200 shillings. I got this Far Shower Cream, which was going for around 499 Kenyan shillings. It was having a 35% off. That's a really good deal. And you know how shower creams, shower gels are expensive right now. Something else that I was able to get on offer is this deodorant for my man. So this is the Far Sport Roll-On. I also got for myself the Far Invisible Power Roll-On, which was also on offer, 35% off. And deodorant spray, I got this Far Sport one, which was also on offer, 35% off. Yeah. So guys, that's it with this video. So those are the things that I was able to buy on Jumia. I bought them while they were having a really good sale. Body care products are very expensive, most especially lotions right now. So I really got a good deal. But apparently I bought these things, I bought them on Monday, and then on Tuesday your offer ilikuwa ishatolewa, the 50% off ilikuwa ishatolewa. So yeah, but the offer is still there for the fur products, and I think also the Velvex bado iko na the Bella toilet paper bado inatoka 70 bob, so you can go and grab yourself tissue paper or far body care products. But for the Vaseline, for the Unilever products, they are no longer on offer. And also guys, they have voucher codes. Just go play one of those games, unaweza pata voucher code ya 200 bob ama 300 bob. That's good, utakuwa umesave so tatu ama so mbili, of which kwangu that's a good deal. Yeah, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and it's goodbye from me. See you in the next one. Bye. I love you. See you. Subscribe if you haven't.